Before we go on, like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell right now.
A BMW factory, the masterpiece of engineering. 1. The philosophy of motion, visual, cinematic slow-motion shots of the BMW logo, sparks flying in the dark, and a finished car's headlights turning on. Engineering is not just about moving from point A to point B, it's about the soul of the machine. At the heart of Bavaria, something extraordinary happens every single day. Here, the boundaries between human creativity and robotic precision blur to create a legend. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. But how does a raw block of steel transform into a high-performance athlete? Today, we are taking you behind the scenes, deeper than ever before. Welcome to the symphony of sparks, the ballet of robots, and the pinnacle of automotive excellence. This is the birth of a BMW. The press shop, raw power, visual, massive 100-ton hydraulic presses, metal sheets sliding through machines. The journey begins in the press shop, a place of immense power and rhythmic noise. Imagine huge rolls of steel and aluminum weighing several tons being unfurled like pièces paper. These sheets are fed into massive hydraulic presses. With over 10,000 tons of force, these machines stamp out doors, hoods, and roof panels in seconds. Every curve you see on a BMW is born here. The precision is staggering. We are talking about tolerances thinner than a human hair. Yellow uniformed inspectors stand guard, using high-tech lasers to ensure that not a single ripple or flaw exists on the surface. If it's not perfect, it doesn't move forward. 3. Body construction, the robotic ballet, visual, hundreds of orange and white robotic arms welding together the frame. Once the panels are ready, they move to the body shop. This is where the body in white takes its skeletal form. It is a mesmerizing sight. Hundreds of sophisticated robots working in perfect synchronization. They perform thousands of spot welds, laser seams, and structural bonding. Watch the sparks fly as the robots dance around the chassis. There's a specialized logic here. The robots communicate with each other to ensure that every frame is identical to the last. This rigid structure is the reason why a BMW feels so stable at 155 miles per hour on the Autobahn. It is the perfect balance of lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel. Thus, 4. The paint shop, a mirror finish and 230 to 320. Visual, the car chassis being dipped into tanks, then robots spraying a deep metallic blue. Before the color is added, the body must be flawlessly clean. It travels through a series of chemical baths and an electrolytic dip to protect against corrosion for decades. Then comes the paint shop, the most sterile area in the entire factory. Even a tiny dust particle can ruin the finish. Fully automated bell atomizer robots apply the primer, the base coat, and finally the clear coat. The movement of the robots is fluid, almost artistic. This process gives the car its deep metallic glow and that iconic mirror finish. Whether it's alpine white or M-carbon black, the depth of the paint is checked under ultra-bright light tunnels by expert eyes. 5. The marriage and final assembly. Visual, the chassis coming down from above, meeting the engine and drivetrain, workers installing the leather dash. Now we reach the most iconic moment in the factory, the marriage. This is where the soul meets the body. From below, the complete powertrain, the engine, transmission, and axles, rises up to meet the chassis. In one precise movement, they are bolted together. It is a masterpiece of logistics. As the car moves down the final assembly line, it's all about the human touch. Technicians in their signature yellow safety gear carefully install the premium leather seats, the intricate wiring looms, and the BMW iDrive infotainment system. Every screw is tightened to an exact torque recorded digitally to ensure lifelong reliability. Every single car is built to a specific customer order, making each one unique.